Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Hey guys, in this session we are going to look at how to install Docker on your Ubuntu machine. So here I have a Ubuntu machine. So I'm running an EC2 instance using Ubuntu AMI. So in today's session we are going to look at how to install Docker on your Ubuntu machines. So to start your Docker installation, you'll need to first update your machine. So once again, to run this command, make sure you're a sudo user. If not, you can append this command with sudo, and then you can run this. So what this command, the first command will do is this will update your machine, update your Ubuntu machine, and then you can run this command, which is install docker.io -y, and this will install the Docker for you. So let's look at this. So first I'm going to update my machine. So just give it a few seconds to finish the updates. Once the update is done, we can run the apt install docker.io command, and this will install the Docker for you. Sorry, this is spelling. And this will install the Docker for you. And to verify whether your Docker is installed or not, once again you can use this docker -- version, or you can use the shorthand docker -v to verify whether your Docker is installed on your Ubuntu machine or not. So once again, very straightforward installation you have. So to check whether your Docker is installed or not, you can use this docker -- version, and this will tell you the version that is installed. You can also use the shorthand, which is -v sorry -v, and this will tell you which version of Docker is installed. So this is how you can install Docker on your Ubuntu machine. So first you'll have to update the machine, then run this apt install docker.io, and then you can verify the version by running this command. If you're looking to install Docker using binary files, I'll be sharing the link in the description section. And if you're looking to install Docker on Red Hat or Amazon Linux AMI, I have recordings available. I'll be providing the links in the description section, and you can use that. So that's all I have for this session. I will see you in the next video.